Reason to consider Kenya seriously is our demonstrable commitment to eradicating unemployment, poverty, hunger, disease, and inequality through our bottom-up economic transformation plan. Our focus is on transformative and inclusive growth, anchored by invigorated productivity at the bottom of the economic pyramid and driven by strategic investment in key sectors in our universal healthcare space, our food security expansion program, our agro-processing, affordable housing, the micro, small, and medium enterprise space, and of course, our digital infrastructure. Our ambition to leverage agro-industrial productivity for growth, export manufacturing, and surplus food production presents numerous investment opportunities in agriculture and the entire food sector. Under our universal health coverage program, investment opportunities include vaccine and pharmaceutical manufacture, as well as the production of medical commodities and biomedical supplies. And I have had occasion to interact with some of the enterprises here who are considering that space. And we are extending facilities in our special economic zones for those who want to consider manufacture of pharmaceutical facilities, commodities, and supplies, not just for Kenya, but for East Africa.
THITANGO